The Frigidaire washer code E59 indicates a problem with the washer's communication system, specifically a failure in the user interface board and the central control unit to communicate properly. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, ensure you have unplugged the washer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical shock or injury. Next, locate the user interface board and the central control unit, usually found behind the control panel or at the bottom of the washer. Check the wiring connections between the user interface board and the central control unit for any signs of damage or wear. Verify that all connections are secure and not loose. If you find any damaged wires, replace them with new ones to ensure proper communication between the two boards. If the wiring connections are intact, the problem may lie with the user interface board or the central control unit itself. Try resetting the washer by unplugging it, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This may resolve the issue if it was caused by a temporary glitch. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to replace the faulty board. Before doing so, ensure you have purchased a compatible replacement board from the manufacturer or a trusted supplier. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for replacing the board, taking care to handle the electrical components with caution. After replacing the board, plug in the washer and test it to see if the error code has been resolved. If the code still appears, it may be necessary to consult a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the issue. To prevent future occurrences of the E59 error code, regularly inspect the washer's wiring connections and ensure they are secure. Additionally, avoid overloading the washer, as this can put excessive stress on the electrical components and lead to communication failures. By following these steps and taking preventive measures, you can resolve the Frigidaire washer code E59 and keep your appliance running smoothly.